Are you worried that your foundation walls aren't healthy, or maybe you just want to check your foundation walls for issues, but you're not sure what to look for? Stay tuned and I'll tell you how to inspect your foundation walls. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. It's important to inspect your foundation wall for any issues. In this video, we'll talk about how often you should inspect your foundation walls, common issues to look for, and how can those issues be fixed. Before we go any further, give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. Normally, I'm going to suggest that you inspect those walls about 4 times of the year. We're going to look at those in each season. So whether it's fall, winter, spring, or summer. The easiest one that you're going to want to look for is cracks, whether they're vertical cracks, stair-step cracks, or horizontal cracks. The other thing you want to look for is efflorescence, white stains on the block that show water came through that block, or standing water dampness on that foundation wall. The most important thing you can do is call an expert. Have someone come out there, take a look at it. That's going to be free to do, and let them give you their opinion on if this is an issue to be concerned about, an issue to keep your eyes on, or if this is something that we need to go ahead and get fixed now. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about inspecting your foundation walls? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.